Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we are going to learn about a very special shape. It has 3 sides. It's the triangle. Let's say it together. Triangle. Now let's look at triangles around us. Are you ready? Let's go. Slice of pizza. Yummy pizza. Did you know a pizza slice is shaped like a triangle? It has 3 sides, just like a triangle. Look, a traffic sign. Many road signs are triangles to get our attention. So when you go out, look for triangle signs. Sandwich. When we cut a square sandwich from corner to corner, have you ever eaten a triangle sandwich? It becomes a triangle. Roof of a house. The top of many houses looks like a triangle. The roof keeps the rain away and gives the house its shape. Birthday banner flags. At birthday parties, we see colorful triangle flags hanging on strings. They make everything look fun. Let's repeat all the triangle objects we saw today. Say it with me. Pizza slice. Traffic sign. Sandwich. Roof of a house. Birthday flags. Yes, all these are triangles around us. Triangles are everywhere around us. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep smiling. For more fun learning videos, see you next time. Bye-bye.